Cohsem'S Class 12 result 2024 has been declared with pass percentage of 97.63%. Malemnganbi of Comet School has topped Class 12 with 493 marks in Science stream. Y. Kenika of Comet School secured second position with 491 marks, and M. Sania of Pinewood View School secured third position with 488 marks in Science stream. Th. Shityajit of EK Higher Secondary School has topped Class 12 with 477 marks in Art stream. K.H. Niranda of EK Higher Secondary School and S. Langlel of TG Higher Secondary School with 474 marks secured second position in Art stream. Janita of EK Higher Secondary School secured third position with 472 marks in Arts. Aina of Kokching Higher Secondary School topped Class 12 with 447 marks in Commerce. Catalina of TG Higher Secondary School secured second position with 438 marks in Commerce. El Aman of SDJM Higher Secondary School secured third position with 428 marks in Commerce.